Hey guys, this is Sunshine Love. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. Please make sure that you hit the subscribe button so you can get the latest videos and notifications. Now today's video is going to be over a DIY Chanel bathroom project. I wanted to redo my guest bathroom downstairs and I had no idea what I wanted to do or what colors I wanted to go with. My kitchen was black and white and my bathroom is really near to the kitchen, so I figured, hey, why don't I find something that has the color scheme of black and white? So why not Chanel? So let's take a look at versus what it looked like before and what it looks like now. Now, some of the items that I made that went into the bathroom, I did not record doing each individual item. The DIY video would probably be so long and I didn't want to do that to you guys, but I will go over the instructions briefly and where I got the items from, as well as link it in my description. So just in case you wanted to do a particular item that I put in the bathroom and not necessarily the entire bathroom, you can do that as well. But I think it came out so pretty and it was really inexpensive. So let's take a look. So here's my bathroom before, and as you can see, it's really basic. I honestly just threw some things together when we first moved into the home. I just figured this would be a project that I would get to later as time presented itself. And I honestly really didn't know what I wanted to do with the bathroom. And now that I have this idea of doing the Chanel DIY for my bathroom, I think it would go really great in this guest bathroom, and it would kind of flow with the concept of the decorations in my kitchen. So I just have really basic items in this bathroom, nothing special, just kind of like my lotions and guest stuff on the top of the toilet, nothing special. So let's get to it. So the next item is this little box with the towels. I actually got that from Ross. It was like $3 or $4.99. And it came with the towels, and the ribbon that was on there is white, and I just kind of added a black ribbon on top and just set it on top of the stand that I made. Now the stand is made with some wooden pieces that I got from Home Depot. They were actually free. They're samples for you to kind of try out to see what kind of tile you want or flooring that you want. So these are actually free, but the pieces are really sturdy. So I thought they would be cute with the stand. So once I figured out how I wanted to make it, then I went and found my logo online. So I just picked this Chanel logo, and you can go online to images and pick which one you want. And I make sure that I pick the one that has a transparent background so it can flow into my circuit cutter. So I got the pieces and I used my hot glue gun, and then I also used E6000 glue to make sure it was really secure. And then once I glued the pieces together, then I kind of propped them up and I let them sit for a couple of hours just to make sure that the glue was dry and it was, like I said, it's secure and ready for me to paint. And once I glued it and it was dry, I went ahead and painted. The paint I got from Michael's, it was like $1 or something like that. And then the Chanel letters I use with my circuit cutter. Now this picture frame I got from Dollar Tree. The diamond adhesive I also got from the Dollar Tree. The glitter paper is actually from Michael's, and it has some other colors that are really pretty. And then I also use my circuit cutter to make the letters. So I just wanted something simple, and I cut the cardstock paper the size of the picture frame, which is a 5x7, I want to say. And I just, like I said, I just wanted to be simple, and I wasn't sure which direction I wanted to go with. And once I printed out my letters, and I said, okay, well, let me just put them onto the glitter paper. And I had to use a little adhesive so they could stick. I was going to use these rhinestones, but I decided not to because it was going to be too time consuming, and the adhesive wrap went better. This basket I already had, it was black and white, and it just flowed into my color scheme, and I sat the little tissues in the basket. So if you have a basket that you don't know what you want to do with it, you can either paint it or whatever and dress it up. And I added the ribbon on the side of it, and it came out really cute. Now these mirrors I had made this stand and I wasn't sure where I wanted to go. I wanted to put it there. I made the soap dispenser and I also made the little, the Chanel box to put the napkins in there and little lotion for the guests and little body spray for the guests. And those came out cute. And actually the little box is made out of small canvases that I just didn't know what I wanted to do with. I also made the art pieces on the wall. This one is a 3D effect with the rhinestones. It came out really cute. And the soap dispenser came out better than I thought it would. This rug I got from Ross. It was like $5 and I used my circuit cutter to make the letters. I just used basic white vinyl paper. Everything came out really cute. The trash can came from the Dollar Tree as well. I used the rhinestones to make the C's, and I used the remaining adhesive diamond wrap that I had from Dollar Tree to put around the top of it. So everything came out really cute. This Chanel project, I kind of just freestyled it. I wasn't sure where I wanted to go with it, but the end result was really nice, and I decided to put both the word Chanel and the letters on the soap dispenser since it was a see-through glass, and that came out really cute. So I hope you like it. I will leave the information in the description from where I got everything from. I know the artwork is kind of time consuming, but it just came out really cute. Now, this particular art piece, I also used my circuit cutter. I used gold glitter paper, and I also used my heat press to make sure that the word was secure, and then I painted the back of it. So thank you guys for tuning into my channel. I hope you like everything. Please make sure that you subscribe to my channel so you can get the latest videos. Have a blessed one.